Hello everyone, this printer is Canon TS4150i. I want to show you how to replace the ink. Put your finger each side, then lift up the ink access door. Once you lift it up, then you wait. The ink holder will move and position itself to the left side. Then the next thing to do is you need to pull this up to remove the ink cartridges. So this is how to remove the ink cartridges. If you want to replace it, then take the black goes to the right, then put the cover down, then the color goes to the left, then put the cover down, and once you're done, pull up the cover, then front. You wait. So give the printer time to recognize the ink, and once you're done, the light here will be steady. The light is highlighting on the paper, highlighting on the Wi-Fi, and also the power on button is on. So this is how to replace the ink cartridges. This printer uses ink 595 black and 586 color. You can also use extra large XL size of the ink. Thank you very much indeed.